Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Instant Insights and I am so glad you're here. I started hand lettering in 2016 when it was a difficult time and I needed something to help remind me how to be happy, and it was amazing. I dove right in and I could not get enough. Maybe you've been trying to learn lettering through looking up tutorials and all the freebies online and you're realizing it's not as easy as it looks. Well, I'm really glad you're here because intentional lettering for beginners is going to be just the thing for you. This is not a course where you're just going to learn one style and that's it. This course is so much more than that. It's about how to be intentional with your lettering so that you're creating something that's unique to you, that's different from anybody else. I'm of course going to teach you the basic style. There are a few different styles that I'm going to give you, but even more than that, you're going to know why you letter. You're going to feel how good it feels, what lettering can do for you. And one way that I'm going to show you that is through a hand lettering journal. A hand lettering journal is just a journal with your lettering. You're creating your very own book of your hand lettering. It's such a great way to see your progress and also to practice mindfulness with your lettering. So you're creating this beautiful lettering, you're writing words that you want to hear, that you want to believe to be true in your life. And as you're lettering them, they can kind of become true. That's what hand lettering can do for you, and that's what I want to help you with. Let's learn the basics so you're feeling confident in your own hand lettering, and then being intentional with your lettering to use it for whatever it needs to be for you. So I've done everything that I can to help you so that you are practicing the right things to make sure you're using your time wisely. After a long day, when you have given so much of yourself to others, you're tired, you're exhausted, I hope you'll choose to bring hand lettering into your life so you can see how it actually is really refreshing and it gives you that energy back that you need. Learning the skill of hand lettering is one of the best things you can do for yourself. It's definitely the best thing that I've done for myself. So if you're ready, I'm so excited to see you in the Intentional Lettering for Beginners online course.